Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record bill or supplier invoice on ClearBooks. To record bills on ClearBooks, we need to go to Purchase section and click on Bills. Here, click on Create Bill, and now we are presented with a blank or empty supplier invoice template which we need to fill in. So firstly, we can add completely new supplier by clicking on Add and fill in details, or select one from the drop-down list. In my case, I will select Beats Limited, select the date of a supplier invoice date, and also you can amend a due date by selecting due date when it's actually due. I have 14 days payment terms given by Beats Limited. Reference, this is supplier invoice number, so I have B12345. If you know purchase order from your system that need to be allocated to Beats Limited supplier invoice, select, otherwise leave blank. Theme, this is a template what ClearBooks provides you to select from. There are quite a lot of to choose from. Select one which you fancy if you wish to. If you are using items, then you can select from your drop-down list particular items that have been purchased. Otherwise, you can add the descriptions by just typing product names here. So for example, I have received product 1, select cost, so cost code, so either it's materials, labor, or cost of sales. In my case, it's cost of sales. Quantity, I have received 25 at 850. Materials, add new line to add another line. So for example, I have received also product 2, and this is under cost of sales as well, and I have received 15 for rate of 680. Okay, so this is my supplier invoice for 314.50. I can add more notes in summary section, or I can also preview to check if actually this supplier invoice matches with an invoice what I have on hand. Okay, and once I'm happy, I can click Save. Okay, this bill will be recorded under Bills and under Unpaid section. So if I'm looking here, there is Beats Limited invoice B12345. To attach support documents, I can click on Manage and click on Attachment, or if I actually click on this ID number, I can add attachment by clicking here. Upload files, attach, and support documents will be attached for this particular supplier invoice, what I have recorded on ClearBooks. So in this episode, I showed you how you can record supplier invoices or bills on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.